Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll show you how to withdraw money from PayPal to your bank account. Okay, so as you can see, I am on the PayPal app and I'm able to see my PayPal balance of $262.42. So I'm going to click right there and then it's just going to go to the next page here. So right here we have two options. We could transfer money or add money. We're going to click on transfer. And then at the very bottom, you'll see multiple options: transfer to a bank, transfer to PayPal savings, or transfer internationally. So I'm going to click on transfer to bank. So you have a couple options here. So you could choose to receive the money instantly, which is the option on the left, or you could choose to receive the money within 3 business days. And it will tell you when the money should be showing up in your account. At the top, you'll also see the amount. So let's say I didn't want to withdraw the full $262.42. I could click on that pencil icon to the right of it just to change that amount. Let's just say if I wanted to withdraw like $50, I could change that to $50 and only withdraw that amount. Below the options of instant or within 3 business days, you'll see your bank account. If you don't have a bank account right there, it should prompt you to add a bank account that you're transferring your money to. So that is where you do that. And then at the very bottom there, you'll see the fee. So if you choose within 3 business days, you won't be charged any type of fee. If you choose instant, let me just show you guys how much. Actually, I can't. So if you choose instant, you'll be charged a fee of whatever percent. I'm pretty sure it's different in different places. But at the very bottom there, you'll see the option transfer whatever amount you wanted to transfer. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, that amount of money is on its way, and that is how you transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. You guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.